Welcome everyone. Today's video will be a step-by-step guide to getting airdrops on Sui. So if you're not familiar with Sui, it is a high-performance blockchain offering fast and cheap transactions. Now I'll be showing you how to get set up with Sui, downloading a wallet, and then using 7 different tokenless protocols on Sui in hopes for a future airdrop. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to Zero to Tom. He put out a tweet, which I'll link in the description down below, that really just formed the basis of this video. He's a good friend and an excellent follow, so definitely go ahead and follow him. So if you want to get started with Sui, obviously you're going to need a wallet. You can head over to suiairdrop and then download the wallet here. Once you download the wallet to your browser, you can click on the extension and press create new wallet. Afterwards, you need to create a password for your wallet. You will then be given your secret recovery phrase. Press confirm and create, and then your wallet is ready. We now need to get some Sui and deposit it into our wallet as it will power our transactions. I'm using Bitstamp for this. Buy some Sui and withdraw it to your wallet. You can find your wallet address here. So the first protocol I wanted to talk about is Aftermath Finance. So Aftermath Finance is a liquid staking derivative protocol. So if you're familiar with like Lido or Jito, you should be familiar with how Aftermath Finance works. So basically you can deposit Sui into Aftermath Finance and you will receive a token back called AF Sui. Now AF Sui basically reflects the value of Sui as well as any of the staking rewards that are accumulated. So one Sui will not exactly equal one Aftermath Sui, it will be slightly different. So I'll show you how to do this. You'll have to obviously connect your wallet and I'll deposit 100 Sui into Aftermath. As you can see here, the validator APY is 3.95% and I'll receive 98.99 Sui. So one AF Sui is worth 1.012 Sui. So it's not exactly 1-to-1. So let's press stake and then I can approve this transaction. Okay, the transaction is successfully complete. If I go back onto my wallet, we can see that I have 98 AF Sui in my wallet. So here we have Haedal. So Haedal is similar to Aftermath Finance. Basically all you need to do, connect your wallet. There we go. And we can deposit Sui with Haedal. So I'll just do like 20 here. Press stake Sui and then in return, I'll receive HA Sui. And there we go, I'm staked. And the last liquid staking derivative protocol I wanted to show you today is Volo. So I'm going to connect my wallet and I'm going to stake some Sui with them. Now, the way that you stake Sui with Volo is going to be the same as Haedal and Aftermath Finance. So I'll just do 20 Sui here. As you can see here, 1 Sui equals 0.994 Sui. So the way that Volo works is very similar to Haedal and Aftermath Finance. So we'll press stake and we'll press approve. And that should be done very quickly. And there we go, 20 Sui staked. And if I check my wallet, I have 98 AF Sui, 19 HA Sui, and 19 V Sui. Now the next protocol I wanted to take a look at is Bucket Protocol. Now Bucket Protocol offers collateralized debt positions. So it's almost identical to what we have with MakerDAO on Ethereum. So basically how it works is that you can deposit Sui into Bucket Finance and then mint a stablecoin against it. And the stablecoin that Bucket Protocol offers is called Buck. So I'll show you how to do this now. So we go to position, we'll press create a position. Now there are various different things that you can deposit into Bucket Protocol, but for now I'll just show you Sui and I'll deposit 100 Sui. And then you can decide how much Buck that you want to mint. So I'll just do 20 Buck here. So if the price of Sui goes down to 22 cents, I will get liquidated. Part of my Sui balance will get sold off in order to ensure that Buck has proper collateralization and it doesn't go below $1. So I'll press mint Buck here and then approve this transaction. And this should just take a couple of seconds. And so there we go. So this is my total deposit and this is the debt that I have. Now the next protocol I wanted to take a look at is Kriya Finance. So this is a DEX. They do also offer perpetual futures here as well, but I'll just show you how to do a couple of swaps here. So I'm going to trade 50 Sui into wrapped USDC. I'll press swap now, approve, And there we go, the transaction has completed and I've got 60 USDC in my wallet. Now let's take a look at Turbos Finance. So Turbos Finance is another DEX here available on Sui. I'll just connect my wallet, trade some Sui into stablecoins. So let me just do 100 Sui. There we go. Press trade and approve. We'll press close here. Now the last protocol I wanted to talk about today is Scallop Finance. So Scallop Finance is your typical money market. So if you're familiar with like Aave, Compound, MarginFi, that sort of thing, you should be familiar with Scallop and how it works. Now all you need to do here in order to qualify for an airdrop is simply deposit assets into Scallop. And so to do that, I'm just going to deposit some Sui into Scallop. So we go over here and press supply, and I'm just going to untick this. We'll deposit 50 Sui, and then we can get 17.13% APY. So supply Sui, press approve. And there we go. We can see that I've supplied 50 Sui into Scallop Finance. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more airdrop farming videos.